Tega Industries' attractive growth story has seen private equity players eyeing the company. TA Associates has picked up around 15% stake in Tega Industries for $40 million. So Myra Abdi spoke to Dheeraj Podar of TA Associates to find out why they invested in Tega Industries.
Hi, Mr. Podar. Thanks very much for joining in. Tega Industries is a business where you guys picked up about 15% stake, right, pretty early on. So what were the compelling factors that actually made you invest in this business?
So when we met Tega for the first time, it was in the context of them looking to make an acquisition in the international markets. We were actually pretty amazed by seeing what the Mohankas had already built. Tega was an international company. They had presence in every large mining market of the world. Their clients were the big mining companies in gold, copper, iron ore, and they were known for technology and product innovation. Tega was already the #2 player in its industry, and we were pretty enthused by the capability of an Indian entrepreneur to build a business like this, to have direct marketing and presence across the world, and be known for quality as well as being competitive when it comes to price and other aspects of the product. We were also pretty enthused by the quality of the management team and their governance standards. This is a company which had a Big Four auditor since inception. They ran a proper thorough board, including independent members. And we got a feeling that they were truly looking for a proper partner who could help grow their business over a period of time, which frankly led us to do a lot more work and understand that the business was indeed pretty attractive. And we were pretty happy that we could make the investment.
All right. And finally, would you look at investing further into this company?
Tega is already a large business, and frankly, it generates a decent amount of internal accruals. They do have ambitious plans on what they want to do in the future, including new product introductions, acquisitions, expansion into new markets. We think it's possibly more of an IPO candidate in the near future as opposed to raising more private capital. But we'll see. We are supportive of the business. We'd love to actually invest more if the opportunity came along.
Mr. Podar, thanks very much for speaking with us.
Today, Tega Industries is proving to be a formidable competitor to the global #1 player Metso, which is estimated to have above 60% share, while Tega has close to 15% market share. To keep its stranglehold in the global market, Tega has made 3 key acquisitions in Australia, Africa and Chile over the past few years.
Well, our 5-year vision for Tega is definitely to grow quite exponentially across all our product segments. Our plan is to grow both organically and inorganically. So while organically, I think we continue to march ahead, I think the inorganic part of our business is something that's going to be very important to us over the next 5-year period. I think Tega is going to continue to be acquisitive over the next 5 years, and in our industry, targets of a size that we have in mind are very few to come by. So as and when those opportunities present ourselves, we would definitely be exploring such avenues of growth inorganically. So if I would like to put a number, of course, over the next 5 years, I think any number north of half a billion in terms of top line would definitely be something that we would aspire to achieve.
The Mohankas are leaving no stone unturned to explore new avenues for growth, be it organic or inorganic. Towards attaining this objective, they are open to an IPO for their funding requirements. Looking at Mohanka's game plan, Tega Industries may soon capture 50% of the $1 billion global market.
Well, that's certainly a very interesting story. Clearly, what comes out loud and clear is that very few companies the world over have been able to enter or stick on to the mill lining segment. Tega is an exception, and it holds a dominant position in this space. The company's engineering expertise is clearly visible in the fact that global companies are increasingly sourcing their inputs from Tega. Tega Industries is surely a company to watch out for and invest if and when they go public. On that note, it's time to say goodbye. We'll see you next week with another interesting episode. Till then, keep watching CNBC TV 18.
Focus, ideate, innovate, enable.